Hi. So in the previous chapters you have learned about strings, okay? So now add on to the string, now we will learn about string format, okay? So let me write a string format. Look, as we learned in the Python variable chapter, just starting of the series, as I told you that we cannot combine a string to a number, okay? Let me tell you what I am telling this. Let me repeat it once again. Just suppose there is a age of, let's say, 35, okay? And now I want to complete the sentence like text, T-E-X-T, okay? And here I want to write my name is Sharad and I am, okay? And just suppose I want to concatenate it using plus operator, and then I want to give the age, okay, so that it could get 35. And if just suppose I'll print text, then now it will show me the error. Okay, why it is showing me error? Because I told you that we cannot combine strings and a number. Okay, this is the string, this thing, and this is the number, because this is why this is number, because we have put it integer over this age. Okay, so this data type is integer, this data type is a string, and we cannot put the things, we cannot combine it. Okay, so how to do this? I want to do the same thing, but how to do this? Look, we can combine. Yes, this is possible, but not in this way. We can combine the strings and the number by using a format method. Okay, we can combine it by using a format method. Okay, actually this format method takes the past argument, whatever you will give, and then format them, and then even it places them in the string where the placeholders are there. What are the placeholders? Placeholders are actually like this. Okay, I'll tell you. Let me tell you by an example. Let's take the first example, same example what we have did in above. Okay, age is equal to, let's say, 35. Okay, now text is equal to my name is Sharad and I am, okay, and now here you can use this curly brackets. Okay, the curly brackets basically include the age, this one. Okay, I'm not giving. Now let's print it. Print what? Text dot format method, and then here I'll put the age, means the argument what I need to pass. And if I'll run this, then you can see my name is Sharad and I am 35. Here already it is written. Okay, so hope you understood this. Actually this format method takes the unlimited number of argument, and even it can be placed into a respective placeholder. You can treat it anywhere, you can place it anywhere whenever you want. Okay, but you should remember the series. Like, let me tell you an example, more example, okay, and more example. Now a more ho gaya, sorry, this more example. Like here let's say a quantity is equal to 3. Okay, I am giving a real life type of example so that it could be clear more. Like item number should be like 567. Price price will be like 49 point something something 95, let's say. Okay, and then let's say my order, ORDER. So here I want to combine a string to a integer. Okay, so what I'll do, I want, okay, now I'll again here I want 3 quantities or 3 pieces. 3, I'll place it here because 3 is written here. Okay, so I want 3 means quantity, first placeholder, pieces, sorry, pieces, P I E C S, pieces of item. What item? The same item number 567. Okay, here it will comes item number 567 for price 49.95 for 49. So this one, dollars or rupees, whatever you want. Let's take dollars. If I'll print this, it will not happen. Now I'll need to give it in order. Okay, so this is my order statement. Okay, now I'll use my order in a special format like print my order, ORDER. Okay, then dot format it in indexing type. First, the first placeholder is of quantity, so here I'll write quantity. The second placeholder is of item number, which is 567, so I'll give here item, sorry, ITEMNO. Okay, and the third one is price, this thing, price. Okay, so PRICE. Now close the brackets. If I'll run this, you can see I want 3 pieces. Okay, 3 taken from here, pieces on item number 567 taken from here, and then for $49.95. So this is the statement with the placeholder, and this is the format. Even you can change the series, you can change the placement. Okay, you can, for changing the placement, you can use the index number, because this by default this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. If we'll talk about the index, then I'm saying, okay, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and here this is 0, 1, 2, something like this. Okay, so what if you can use index number to be correct placeholder, LDER. Okay, how to do this? I'll use the same thing, okay, the same thing will copy, sorry, here paste. Now look from starting, quantity is 3, okay, item number is 567, prices is 49.95, my order, I want to pay. Okay, now I will change this thing, I want to, because here quantity is first, now I want to take the dollar first. Okay, dollar first, so I can change the statement also. Let me change it from here. I want to pay. Okay, what I want to pay? I want to pay $49.95 for 3 quantity, right? So for 3 pieces, PIECES, okay, of what is the item number? Item number is 567 for item so called 367, and the thing will be same, quantity, item number, prices. But here if you will do this thing, then quantity will come in the first, item number will come in the second, and prices will become in the third, because it is a default. So for this, for placing it rightly, here this price is what? This is the first index, means 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So for using the pricing, you need to put 2 over here. Okay, and then for using the pieces, means 3, you need to use what? 0, because this is 0, first index 0, then 1, then 2. So 0, 0 will be here, means 0, and here you will use 1. If I'll run this, then you can see it automatically taken according to the index numbers. Index number 2 is 49.5, so I want to pay $49.95 for 3 pieces of item number 367. Okay, isn't it? So hope you understood this thing. If you didn't understood, then watch this video again and again. You can easily understand. Okay, very easy process, and it is much needed in your future classes. Okay, so if you don't understand it, repeat it again and again, watch the same video again and again, and you will understand. Okay, so that's now for this section. I'll see you in the next section. Bye bye.